Good morning, everybody. To get my nails done right now. I've lost one, which I'm very annoyed about. But I think my first vlog back was actually me getting my nails done. So that means that I've been vlogging for 3 weeks. We're back at it for 3 weeks. And let me see. I'm trying to think if I have any interesting news from the weekend. What did I do? Weekend feels like so long ago now that it's like Tuesday. I know that sounds ridiculous, but you know the way it's like, wow, it's a distant memory. I'm looking forward to next weekend. Saturday, went for breakfast, got pancakes and maple syrup, and they were just delicious. They're the big fluffy American pancakes, which I absolutely love, which are really difficult to find here in Ireland. And we found somewhere that does them, and streaky bacon, like crispy streaky bacon. And then they like had a knob of butter, and I was like, no, not feeling the butter, won't have that. But it was just so good. And then Saturday afternoon, it was really nice. So I was like to mum and dad, I was like, hey, let's have a barbecue. So we had a barbecue, and there was like a group of us at that, which was nice. Ollie went out with her roommate Kieran to the Bingo Loco, which was insane, she said. They didn't win anything though, which was kind of a bit sad, but she said she had a really good night anyway. And then Sunday, I had a really loungy day. Me, mum, dad, Ollie, and my SP. Can I call him that? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna call him that for now. I need to talk to you more about that actually, because I know an awful lot of you have been asking me in regards to my status, my relationship status. A lot of people have been kind of like talking about it and speculating about it, and I mean, you know me, it takes me a bit of time to come out of my shell and tell you everything. I obviously, as you guys know, I've moved home just after Christmas. You can kind of fill in the blanks there. I'm probably like confusing some of you, but if you're kind of following me for a while, I think you know what I'm getting at, and I'm not going to go into details in regards to it. I don't know why I'm like skirting around the obvious. I just find it so like difficult to kind of like say it. I just feel like I don't know, I just feel weird saying it. 2 months ago, the beginning of June, so not even yet 2 months, I met somebody accidentally. I don't know how you meet people accidentally, but you just meet people, and it was kind of just like something I wasn't really expecting or looking for, or you know, because I was living my little happy single life and just been very, very pleased. And I went on a date with somebody, and it just went really well, and we've been going strength to strength. Actually, our first date was in Dundrum, and it was really nice. I probably shouldn't be like talking too much about this. I can't not talk about it, I guess, anymore. And I mean, what's the problem? People break up all the time. I feel like I'm in like the best place in my life now. And everything's very new. Like, I have no idea like where anything is going, or I never know where anything's going. I just kind of go with the flow. But I'm very happy, and I really like the guy that I'm seeing, and he makes me extremely happy, like beyond belief happy, and I'm just kind of going with it. Hey guys, I'm home. I'm making a toasty. I'm home ages. I completely like had no battery, and both of my batteries were dead, which was very annoying. So I got my nails done, as you guys can see. They are nude. I don't know if you can see that. If it will focus, it will be just epic, but it won't, so they look like that. I'm very happy with them. I love them. They're really nice. So I can't remember what I was talking about when I was last talking to you guys. Probably some drivel. I think I was talking about my weekend, and that we had like a barbecue here. We were playing like Trivia Pursuit and just hanging out, and Ollie was over with her roommate, and mum and dad were playing. It was just a really nice, relaxing weekend. I've just filmed 4 beauty videos. I'm going to edit one of them now, and I'm going to stick that up today. Today's Tuesday, so I usually upload on a Monday, but I don't know, just the week got away from me. I'm going to upload tonight, and then I'm also going to clear out makeup and stuff I have upstairs, so you can help me do that as well. Tomorrow I have dinner in town, and I'm going to a surprise. Like, I'm been brought on a surprise dinner date, drinks as well. All I know is I have to be at Trinity at 6, and that's all I know. Apparently one of the restaurants is in Dawson Street, so I was kind of like, is that the Ivy? But it's not the Ivy. So I'm trying to like not Google where I'm going tomorrow night. I'll bring you along, because it'll be fun. I love like the surprises and stuff like that. I'm like, this is really, really fun. Wear something casual, but be ready for dinner. So nothing too like dressy, but we're going for cocktails. So then I kind of want to be, I don't know. So that's what I'm doing tomorrow night. I got packages and stuff, they arrived, but I really need to eat my toasty first because I'm feeling a bit weak. And I'll go through the packages and yeah, then we'll talk a little bit more. So yeah, I didn't really get to finish what I was saying this morning, and I don't even think I was out of my estate by the time my camera died, so that was really, really fun. I need to wash my hair tonight, it's a hot mess. And I toned it the other day, so it's like quite like, there's still a bit of purple and stuff in it, so I need to kind of wash that through because it's like not a vibe. Well, I don't know, purple is a vibe in your hair, but like it's just not matching. Like when there's purple there and then like the top of my head is like a bit darker, so I need to like wash out the tone. And oh, Lisa, one of my best friends, Lisa, I'm sure you've heard me talk about her before. She booked us tickets to go see Legally Blonde. I'm really excited for that. We're not going till the end of August, but I am so thrilled. I'm just like, oh my god, that's gonna be so much fun. So that's coming up soon as well. And I think that's kind of everything that happened over the weekend. I think I have you up to speed. So I'm gonna eat my toasty and then I'll show you the packages I got. And yeah, I'm gonna watch Home and Away now as well. So I'm just editing a video right now for you guys. This is like my favorite foundations from the drugstore, so I should have this video up later tonight. I'm like 5 minutes in and there's like 20 minutes of footage, so hopefully I get this done on time for you guys this evening. What is all these notifications? Go away. Yeah, so yeah, editing away, and then I'm going to upload this video, and then I need to go and put away that makeup, and I'll show you the other stuff that I got sent to me in PR. So I just finished having something to eat, and I was watching the US Love Island. As you guys know, that Love Island finished last night, and it was so good. And I'm like, what am I gonna do with the next, like every evening for the next forever? I'm gonna be lost without it. I noticed that Love Island US is on Virgin, and I recorded it, or I think Dad recorded it last night just to see what it was like. I just watched it there now, and oh my god, guys, the like thing. I don't know, I'll give it a chance, but I'm just not feeling the vibe of it. You know, like when you're watching a program and you're like, I'm just not feeling the atmosphere in this and the people. I'm just not really feeling it, but I'll give it a chance and see what it's like. Like, it might improve. People might expand from saying like every 5 minutes. People might step in. I think that happened with Lucy with the word Bev. They were like, stop hun, stop trying to make it happen. It ain't gonna happen. So maybe they might step in and tell people to stop saying like every 2 seconds. It's very difficult to watch. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the products that were sent to me, and we'll talk about them. First things that were sent to me were from Elf, and I already opened these, but I have no idea what they are, as in like I haven't tried them out or anything. So they sent me this like little pamphlet, obviously, to tell you what the products are. So there's a highlighter, a sun-kissed booster, there's the prices, and then they sent out a lip plumping gloss, ooh, in Peach Bellini, and a Plump It Up mascara. And these are the places that it's in. So Dundrum, Blanchardstown, O'Connell Street, Mary Street, Liffey Valley, Swords, Newbridge, Wilton, Patrick Street, Galway. There you go. So there's all the places that you can get Elf. And these are what the products look like. So there's the plumping lip gloss. You guys know I love the Too Faced plumping gloss. So I'm going to see what this one is like, if it's comparable to the, what's it called, to the Too Faced one. And then this is the booster drops. I don't know what these are. Sun-kissed booster drops. Apply a few drops and massage into clean skin, and mix in with your moisturizer or foundation, then apply blended evenly into the face, neck, chest. I think it's just like an oil, or general, like a regular oil that doesn't do anything fascinating. And this is the highlighter and the Plump It Up mascara. So I'll give them a test sometime soon for you guys. And then I also got sent this package, and it comes in a little jar. How adorable is that? So cute. I wonder, can I open this with one hand? Definitely not. I'm gonna have to hold on to that. These are the products on the inside. The first one, oh god, these are all like well stuck in here. Urgh. This is a vitamin C lotion. Please come out. So that's what that looks like, vitamin C lotion. Then we have the vitamin C caviar balm. Next up we have the vitamin C juice cleanser. And then we have the vitamin C serum. I love these serums, they're my favorite. Definitely Pixi's serums are by far the best that I've tried. Oh my god, this all smells like lemons. This is a vitamin C tonic. Ooh yeah, I'm loving the smell. Everything smells like lemon. These are for all skin types, it says as well, so that's great. My face is looking ridiculously oily. I thought I might get to clean out the makeup and stuff, but my video is taking longer than expected, of course it is. So I tried to export it, then it told me that it failed. How amazing. I'm just living for that, the fact that it's failed. I'll just try it again and again and again and again. Sometimes that happens. It'll fail 5 times and then the 6th try it just exports. I don't know why it does that. My computer's acting up a bit. The computer is so old and I just think the memory is full. And I have an external hard drive somewhere that I need to locate. I'm gonna try this lip gloss. I have nothing on my lips at the moment. I had lipstick on earlier. Oh my god, this smells amazing. It's like vanilla. I'm listening to a radio station and I don't know what language it's in. It's Radio Sunshine, but is Radio Sunshine Swedish? No, but it's in a completely different language, but they're playing really good music. I just put it on the background. I don't know, I'm trying to expand my horizons with languages by listening to different languages, clearly. This feels really nice. It's not tingling me yet. We'll see. It'll probably like burn the mouth off me shortly. Tastes nice anyway. It smells really nice. Also, this eye makeup and stuff that I'm wearing, it's the... Do you remember the palette I showed you guys the other day? Just like a hair in my mouth. The Daydream palette that's supposed to be a dupe for Huda Beauty. So one eye is Huda, I'm not sure which one, I can't remember. And one eye is the Daydream palette. I'll put that video up during the week as well. Right now I'm going to get back into that computer and hopefully it has exported my video. Okay guys, so I got my video uploaded, thank God. It's up, it's live, and now I'm just going over to my sister and gonna hang out with her for the evening. What am I looking for? My car keys might be something decent. It's kind of miserable today. It's kind of overcast and horrible. Also I want to thank the subscribers of mine that told me to turn off the traffic notifications on my radio because it helped me so much. It's a setting called TP, which is traffic programming, and it was just really annoying because every single time I was listening to some radio station and there was like a traffic announcement, it would just come in and it was just wrecking my buzz. So I want to say thanks to my subscribers who told me to turn that off. And then tomorrow I was going to edit today's vlog, so I want to do that first thing in the morning because I have a couple of other things like to do tomorrow, you know. I'm really excited for dinner tomorrow night. I haven't been out for dinner in ages. It must be like a month. Yeah, probably a month I haven't been out for dinner. And like I've been out for like breakfast and stuff, but I haven't out for like dinner, and I love going out for dinner. Especially like going for like drinks and cocktails and stuff afterwards. Hi guys, so I'm just sitting down filming the last part of my video from today. I am shattered. It is, where's my phone? Like it's so late right now. If I can find my phone. Yeah, it's like 12:15 at night. Way past my bedtime, and I'm up early tomorrow because I have a lot of work to do in the morning before I go into town and before I go for cocktails and enjoy my evening. So I kind of want to get all my work out of the way and stuff in the morning. I really want to take these eyelashes off. I'm going to do that in a mere moment, but I need to get into bed now and I'm just knackered. I spent the evening over with Ollie, had a lovely evening with her. It was really nice, and her roommate Kieran, I just had such a swell time. Yeah, so the foundation that I'm actually testing out is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which you'll see coming up in a video very soon. This video will probably, yeah, no, this vlog is going to go up way before that. I don't know when that video is going to go out. I also have my ring light on, but this foundation's been on for 12 hours, guys. 12 hours. That's a long time to be wearing foundation. Maybe it's nearly on 13 hours at this stage. So it's been on like the entire day and night and just my whole life today. Actually, I'm going to take these eyelashes off right now. These are the Esquido eyelashes. I don't know what make or which ones they are. I think they're like the Majestic or the Celestial or something. Peeling off eyelashes is so satisfying. Oh my god, that feels way better. I actually like feel like my eyes can breathe again. They're so heavy. I never wear like eyelashes like that on a day-to-day basis. I barely wear eyelashes at all anymore, but I just obviously wear them for filming and stuff because I just like to have a little bit more drama going on when I'm filming and stuff with my eyes. and my makeup and stuff like that. I don't know, I just prefer it because I don't do it from day to day. But the bags under my eyes, lads, seriously, this is not good. Not good at all. I need to go into the dentist as well at some stage this week. I definitely 1,000,000% need a root canal, and I also want to get the Invisalign, my attachments taken off, because I finished my Invisalign. Well, I finished it ages ago, but I have to get like the realignment. It's like, I don't know, you go back and you get like they fix up any kind of things that you're still not happy with. And I had 15 trays, so that like took ages, like 30 weeks, because you have to do one tray per 2 weeks, so it took ages. So that's done, dusted, and now I need to get like my attachments taken off and my teeth bleached because they whiten them. And this tooth down here, like that's a crown, and I really might need to get that redone. I have it like since I was 11 or 12, but I noticed lately it's gone so discolored, so I really want to get that bleached as well, or changed, or if they can do anything with it, I don't know. I have to just go into the dentist and get a lot of work done. And then my sister's a dental nurse, if you guys don't know that already. So I have to go into her dentist to get a composite, not a composite filling, a root canal, because I have a filling back here and it's really irritating me lately. And the last time I went in was about 4 years ago, I'd say, to get that refilled, and he was like, you're gonna need a root canal on that someday. And I think that someday has arrived, because all week it's been killing me. Actually, if I'm being completely honest, it's been hurting me for maybe up to 6 weeks, but definitely in the last week it's been bothering me and giving me headaches and stuff, and it's just really annoying me. So I think that needs a root canal, because it can't be filled anymore. It's been filled like 3 times now at this stage. It's like, I think I only have like 4 fillings, but that is one tooth that keeps needing to, like, they need to like bore it out and refill it. I don't know what is wrong with it. So I think now the root canal situation. But root canals are just so time consuming, and it's like trying to find the time and the effort and the energy, and have to be in the mode. I know, I'm so bad. Then I need to get a teeth clean, so I just need to do an awful lot with my teeth in the next like week or 2. I just want to get like everything done with my teeth, fix them all up, as I'm so happy with my teeth as they are. But there's just like whitening, and I need to also get, is it this tooth? One tooth I also need to get a crown on as well, because it needs to be built up. It's a composite, that's what it is. I don't know. The dentist just be telling me all these, oh, you need this, that and the other, because he's trying to like obviously perfect my smile. It's the orthodontist who's telling me that, and he does all that kind of like orthodontic work. And then obviously I have a separate dentist for the, so I mean the orthodontist does the cosmetic work, and then I have another dentist who does like the actual needed work, like replacing crowns and my root canal and my fillings. I don't know why I just went into that whole spiel about my teeth. I'm gonna hit the hay. I need to go to bed, and I am just so tired. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog. Talk to y'all guys. See, can't speak. I'll talk to all of you guys in my next vlog, and I am gonna be vlogging again tomorrow as well. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you all in the AM. Bye. Love yous.